Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're reviewing the Kama Ayurveda 100% organic henna powder. This product is known as one of the top choices for a natural hair color solution, and we're excited to explore all the benefits it offers. Kama Ayurveda has built a reputation for its commitment to natural ingredients, and this organic henna powder is no different. Sourced from the finest henna leaves, it provides a chemical-free alternative for those who want to add a rich, vibrant color to their hair without the harsh effects of synthetic dyes. The 100 grams pack of henna powder is perfect for home use, ensuring you get just the right amount for a few applications, depending on your hair length. When applied, this henna powder offers a deep brown color that works wonders for covering gray hairs, while also conditioning and strengthening your strands. It's an all-in-one solution that not only gives you a natural color but also promotes healthy hair growth. What makes this product stand out is its ability to blend seamlessly into your hair, providing long-lasting results without the damaging effects often caused by chemical treatments. One of the main reasons people choose Kama Ayurveda's organic henna powder is its versatility. Whether you're looking for a deep brown color or simply want to add some shine and thickness to your hair, this product delivers. Additionally, it is known for being incredibly easy to apply and rinse off, making the process less time-consuming compared to other henna products available in the market. The best part is that it is completely organic, so you don't have to worry about any artificial additives or preservatives. It's gentle on the scalp, making it suitable for all hair types, even those with sensitive skin. Plus, this henna is rich in antioxidants, which help nourish your hair from root to tip, leaving it feeling smooth and soft. If you're someone who prefers natural hair care solutions, Kama Ayurveda's organic henna powder is the perfect product for you. Not only does it provide a vibrant and natural color, but it also supports the health of your hair in the process. So, if you're ready to embrace a chemical-free, healthier alternative to hair coloring, Kama Ayurveda's 100% organic henna powder should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there.